Hello, welcome to English Triple Nine. I'm Lawrence M. Joseph. Today I'm going to tell you how to make proper sentences by using pronouns, especially the subjective case and objective case. So here you can see the subjective cases. These are subjective cases and this is objective cases. So I will tell you how to make sentences. When you make a sentence, it is very important to identify the position of subject, verb and object. So here you can see in this chart the position of the verb. Here comes the verb. Means the verb comes just between subject and object. So here you can see it. So first comes the subject, then the verb, then the object. So you have to follow this order. So when you use the subjective case, it comes at the beginning, then comes the verb, then if there is an object or something. So the verb always comes in between subject and the object. Now we will try to make some sentences by using the subjective case. So these are all subjective case. All these words are subjective case. To make a sentence, what do you to do? You have to add a verb and a object, or you have to add a predicate. So that is how you can make a sentence here. So I will make some sentence here. First we add a verb. See, this is a correct sentence. I like a tea. Like is the verb and tea is the object. We are playing. So a complete sentence. They watch TV. He wrote a letter. So here you can see after the subject there is a verb and a object. So this is how you can make sentence by using the subjective case. The subjective case or the subject comes at the beginning, then the verb and the object. Now we will make some sentence by using the objective cases. The objective cases are given here, some of the examples, and we will make a sentence. For that, what you have to do? At the beginning, you have to add a subject, then a verb, and then the object is already there. So first you have to find out a subject, then a verb, then the object. So now we will make some sentences. She teaches him. So she is the subject, teaches is the verb, him is the object. You can help them. They will see you. So there is a subject, will see the verb and use the object. Please help me. So you can see the correct and complete sentence here using the objective case. Now we will analyze some sentences. For that, just first of all you have to identify the verb of the sentence. First of all we will identify the verb. Here in the first sentence, the monkey eats mango. Eats is the verb. Now we will identify the subject. Subject means the doer of the action. Here action is eat, and who is the doer? Monkey. So monkey is the doer, that means monkey is the subject, and who receives the action? The mango receives the action, or mango is affected. So the receiver of the action is object. So here you can see the doer is the subject and the receiver of the verb is the object. So here it is the a subject, and here it is the object. And in other sentence also you can see in the second sentence, play is the verb, and we is the subject or the doer, and chess is the receiver or the object. And the next sentence, washed, the lady is the doer, that means the subject, and the clothes is the receiver, that means the object. So in this way you can analyze and you can find out. First of all, you have to find out the verb, then the subject means the doer, and the object the receiver of the action. We will identify a few more sentences. I will just identify the verb here. Is a verb. So these are the verbs. Now I will underline all the subject here. Now let me underline all the object here. So you can identify the subject, the verb, and the object here. So this you have to identify first of all the verb, then the subject, and the object last. So here is few more sentences. We will identify these sentences and we will see if the pronoun is used correctly or what is the function of the pronoun in this particular sentence. First of all, let me identify all the verbs here. So I have identified all the verb here. Now let me underline all the pronouns here. Here it is I, is me, again I, me, she, they, you, again me, you, her, we. So these are all the pronouns here. So let us see what is the function of the pronoun here. In the first sentence, I play football, I is used as the subject, that is a correct sentence. Me played football, here it is a wrong sentence because me is a objective case and cannot be used as a subject. So this is a wrong sentence. The lion have seen I, this is also a wrong sentence because I is subjective case but used as an object here. So that is also a wrong sentence. All the other sentences correct. Here in this sentence, this is the correct sentence. The lion have seen me. Instead of I, we have used me, objective case. So that is a correct sentence. And in the next one, she is writing a letter. She is the subject. They came to see my father. They is the subject here. You will teach me English. Here you is the subject. And in the next sentence, grandma will tell you a story. Here you is the object. So the both the function of you as subject and object is you can see in this sentence. The man gave her an apple. Her is object here, objective case. We saw her dog. We is subject and her is the possessive case here. In the above sentence, her is the objective case, but in this sentence, we saw her dog. This is a possessive case. Means here the object is her dog. Her dog is the object. But the man gave her an apple. Here, her is the object here. So in this way, you can identify different sentences. First of all, you identify the verb, then the subject, the doer, then the object, and you can also find out the function of the pronouns in the sentences. And you can practice more. You can also make your own sentences. The more you practice, the more you will learn. So keep on practicing and keep on learning. And I will be back with another interesting video on pronouns. Till then, take care.